What if you could build a YouTube channel without showing your face, without recording your voice, without spending a single dollar, using nothing but free AI tools? I actually did this, and today I'm going to show you exactly how, step by step, with honest results. No fake income screenshots, no exaggerated claims. Just the real truth about building a faceless AI YouTube channel in 2026. Let's get into it.
First, why faceless YouTube? Here's the truth most people don't tell you. Traditional YouTube requires an expensive camera, professional lighting, perfect on-screen confidence, hours of filming and refilming. Faceless YouTube requires a laptop, an internet connection, and the right AI tools. That's it. No camera, no microphone, no face. And here's what makes it even better. Faceless channels can run from anywhere in the world. Nobody knows who you are, nobody judges your appearance, nobody cares about your accent. The only thing that matters is your content. And in 2026, AI creates the content for you.
So, what tools did I actually use? Everything I'm about to show you is 100% free. Tool number 1, Claude AI for scripts. Claude AI writes better, more natural scripts than any other AI tool right now. I give it a topic, it gives me a complete 10-minute YouTube script in seconds. Tool number 2, Google AI Studio for voiceover. Natural sounding voice, completely free, no watermark, unlimited usage. Tool number 3, Microsoft Designer for images. High quality cinematic AI images, free, unlimited, no watermark. Tool number 4, CapCut for editing. Free video editor, auto captions, transitions, everything a professional editor needs. Tool number 5, Canva for thumbnails. Professional YouTube thumbnails in minutes, completely free. Tool number 6, ChatGPT for titles and descriptions. SEO optimized titles and descriptions that YouTube algorithm loves. 6 tools, all free, all working together. Now, let me show you exactly how I make each video. Step 1, topic research. I use Google Trends and YouTube search to find what people are actually searching for right now. This takes 15 minutes. Step 2, script writing with Claude AI. I give Claude AI the topic and requirements. In 30 seconds, a complete professional script is ready. I review it, make small changes, done. This takes 20 minutes. Step 3, voiceover with Google AI Studio. I paste the script, choose a natural voice, generate, download. Professional voiceover ready in 10 minutes. Step 4, image generation with Microsoft Designer. For every 5 seconds of video, I generate 1 image using AI prompts. Each image takes 30 seconds to generate. This takes about 45 minutes. Step 5, video editing with CapCut. I import all images and voiceover, sync them together, add auto captions, add background music, export. This takes about 1.5 hours. Step 6, thumbnail with Canva. Bold text, AI brain image, tool logos, done. This takes 20 minutes. Step 7, upload to YouTube. Title, description, tags, thumbnail, publish. This takes 15 minutes. Total time per video? Around 4 hours. And the total cost? 0.
Now, here's the part most YouTubers skip, the honest results. I am not going to show you fake income screenshots. I am not going to exaggerate my numbers. Here's exactly what happened. Video 1, published. Within 24 hours, 41 views, 7 subscribers, 1.5 hours watch time. And here's the number that shocked me. 61.9% click-through rate. For context, the average YouTube click-through rate is 2 to 5%. Mine was 61.9%. That means almost everyone who saw my thumbnail clicked on it. That tells me the thumbnail and title formula is working. Is this life-changing money yet? No. Honestly, no.
But this is week 1, with 0 investment, 0 experience, 0 subscribers before starting. The goal is monetization at 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And with consistency, that target is realistic within 6 months.
So what did I actually learn from this? Lesson 1. Consistency beats perfection. Your first video will not be perfect. Mine wasn't. But done is better than perfect. Upload anyway. Lesson 2. Thumbnail and title matter more than the video itself. 61.9% CTR proves this. People click before they watch. Invest time in your thumbnail. Lesson 3. AI tools make everything faster, but you still need patience. AI writes the script, AI generates the voice, AI creates the images, but YouTube growth still takes time. There are no shortcuts to building an audience. Lesson 4. Free tools are more than enough to start. I spent 0 rupees. The quality is good enough. You do not need paid tools to begin. Start free, upgrade later when you are earning. Lesson 5. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. So that's the honest truth about building a faceless AI YouTube channel in 2026. Real tools, real process, real results. No shortcuts, no fake promises. If you want to follow this journey and get weekly updates on AI tools, automation, and real results, like this video, subscribe to AIgent, and hit that notification bell, because every week I share exactly what is working and what is not. See you in the next one.